My beautiful people, कैसे हैं आप लोग? I welcome you to Soul's Tarot. So I don't know whether you guys are feeling this or not, but I am feeling very intense energies in the environment. और कुछ बहुत लो frequencies हैं जो प्ले कर रही हैं. So I had to sit down and do this. और अगर आप लोग ध्यान से देखेंगे तो कैंडल की जो इवन फ्लेम है ना, that was like also going here and there. So this reading is about the current energies, okay, whether the person you're thinking about is serious about the relationship or not. और ये आपकी एनर्जीज भी हो सकती है. टेक द वे इट रेजोनेट्स. ओके, सो इसका ऑरिकल भी पुल करूँगी मैं फ्रॉम द विजडम ऑफ ऑरिकल डेक, लेकिन टेरो के बाद वो पुल करूँगी. एंड आई एम गोना पुल आउट अ डिफरेंट स्प्रेड टुडे. एक डिफरेंट स्प्रेड पुल करूँगी बिकॉज जेन्युइनली आई डू फील very strong low vibrational force going around. And मेरी सारी information guys description box में kindly have look. आपने नहीं देखी है तो please देखिए. Do like and subscribe. Help the channel grow. Okay, and those who have liked and subscribed, thank you guys so much. I love you to bits. And I hope आप सब लोग safe हैं, अपने घरों में हैं. ध्यान रखिए and make sure that we can try and spread love, joy, peace, happiness, which is the mantra of the channel. Because season or reason nahi hai, we should just try and be that empathetic towards everybody. जैसे मैंने कहा, it's about also not being able to say certain things जो वो कहना चाह रहे हैं. So frequencies match नहीं कर रही हैं. ये reading possibly कुछ इस तरह की है क्योंकि Mercury has gone retrograde, right? Astrologically, Saturn is retrograde. And उसके साथ साथ couple of other things are happening. So let's just see. I'm not going to waste time. I'm going to dive in. ये reading जिसके लिए भी है, whoever needs to hear the reading, this reading is going to be for that person. Okay, let's see क्या वो actually में serious है about you. The one who is watching. और अगर आप क्रॉस वॉचर हैं तो take it as per your inner compass और उसको उसी तरीके से लेकर जाइएगा. So Michael, some of the messages I need to see. Blueberry, they're my spirit guides. Okay, so keep that in mind. And guys, when I see the analytics, I see a lot of people, you watched the reading but you haven't subscribed to the channel. Please do subscribe because आपके एक उस क्लिक से बहुत हेल्प होती है. अगर कर सकते हैं तो ज़रूर करिएगा. ओके, दैट विल बी रियली नाइस. सो चलिए माइकल, show me why is this low energy playing. हो सकता है आप सबके साथ ना हो, लेकिन ये जिसके लिए है उसको ये डेफिनेटली रीडिंग हिट करेगी. हैंड्स डाउन. आई हैव द टू ऑफ पेंटिकल्स. सो एज आई सेड, टॉरस, वर्गो, कैप्रिकॉर्न, आई जस्ट थिंक दैट इट्स अबाउट, जैसे मैंने कहा वो फ्लेम भी अप एंड डाउन हो रही थी. इट वाज गोइंग हियर एंड देयर. एंड सो या, देयर इज समथिंग इन द एयर. देयर इज डेफिनेटली समथिंग इन द एयर जिसमें क्लैरिटी नहीं है. उनको क्लैरिटी नहीं है या आपको नहीं है. क्योंकि जब रीबाउंड रिकन्सिलिएशन वाली रीडिंग मैंने डाली थी तो उसके अंदर आई हैड स्ट्रिक्टली सेड दैट ये इज गोइंग टू कम अराउंड बिकॉज मर्करी वॉज गोइंग रेट्रोग्रेड एंड रीबाउंड होना ही था. चीज़ें जो अंडर द कार्पेट थी वो आनी ही थी. And I'm sure with some people that really worked because I did get the messages also. But having said that वो short lived भी है because अगर आप अपने feelings और expressions आप नहीं बताएंगे, genuinely उसको put forward नहीं करेंगे तो the other person will not know. So please talk about it. And any which way the environment we guys are in has taken a major toll. हम लोगों की, let's admit it, our sensibilities are at that question mark stage कि समझ नहीं आता कई दफ़ा. So say it out loud. Please say it out loud because that's very important. Okay, with the 5 of Wands here, I told you that the person that we're talking about is actually trying to figure things out, and it's very strong फायर एनर्जी, अर्थ एनर्जी. सो प्लीज ग्राउंडिंग भी करिए. फॉर सम पीपल गाइज, डू ग्राउंड अ लिटिल, यार, डू सम ग्राउंडिंग मेडिटेशंस. ओके, सो दिस अ लॉट ऑफ confusion, conflict, maybe because उनको अभी भी श्योरिटी नहीं है with the Seven of Pentacles with you that whether you really are that serious or the person who's watching it for the person, ये आप सीरियस हैं about this relationship or not. जिनके बारे में आप सोच रहे हैं वो एक्चुअली यही सोच रहे हैं, वो आपको प्रोजेक्ट करें. सो इट्स मिरर टाइम. इट्स लाइक जैसे 12 है और 21 है. Exactly when I was starting the reading, that was the time. So it's that kind of period where आप वही रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहे हैं. 7 on 7 है ये. Then we have the Empress. आप दोनों को पता है ये क्या है. The one who is watching, जिनके लिए आप ये रीडिंग देख रहे हैं, और the person who is the anchor. आपको पता है कि ये रिलेशनशिप आपके लिए क्या मायने रखता है, क्या वैल्यू रखता है, क्या इम्पोर्टेंस रखता है, और जिसके बारे में भी आप सोच रहे हैं आप उसको उस लाइट में देखते हैं. लो एनर्जीज इसलिए हैं क्योंकि आप कम्युनिकेट नहीं कर रहे हैं. मे बी डिस्टेंस है, मे बी बहुत सारी थर्ड पार्टी सिचुएशन. थर्ड पार्टी नॉट लाइक डीलिंग विद समबडी एल्स, बट बहुत सारे लोग बहुत सारी बातें करते हैं, राइट. So because of that reason also there's a gap. This is more like illusion and reality वाला game. ऐसा लग रहा है आपको कि ये real भी है कि नहीं. You're kind of questioning right now. That's the kind of vibe I get. For some I think you're wearing a very pretty skirt, and maybe someone is wearing an orange shirt, and you've got amazing nails. Someone has beautiful nails. Yeah, like I see the nails, very pretty nails you have. Temptation is not nice. किसी भी तरह की कोई आके फिल्टर करता है, कोई कुछ भी अगर कहता है about the person you are in relationship with or committed to, singles हो, couples हो, committed relationship में हो, जो भी जिस तरह से भी ये है, राइट. बाहर वालों की क्यों सुनना है यार. यू शुड नो द पर्सन यू टॉकिंग टू, राइट. उसकी सुनो ना, उससे बात करो. बाहर क्यों बात करो, यहाँ बाहर बात हो रही है. स्टॉप टॉकिंग आउटसाइड. कीप योर ऑप्शंस लिमिटेड. सबको आप ट्रस्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं. लेट मी जस्ट रिमाइंड यू दैट. 8 of Swords, exactly. Get out of your mind. अगर आप किसी के लिए ये रीडिंग देख रहे हैं, या अगर ये रीडिंग का कोई भी पार्ट आपको लगता है इज रिफ्लेक्टिंग यू, देन वर्क अराउंड इट. दैट चेंज इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. लेट मी जस्ट पोजिशन द कैमरा लिटिल सो दैट यू कैन सी इट मोर क्लियरली. सो मेक श्योर दैट you know. Make sure that you do certain things in a certain space. Okay, यहाँ बाहर की फिल्ट्रेशंस बहुत सारी हैं, और उस फिल्ट्रेशन को टाटा बाय बाय करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. कम बैक इन द एम्प्रेस मोड. ये जिसके साथ भी रेजोनेट करिए गाइस. अगर आप जिनके बारे में सोच रहे हैं ये उनके लिए मैसेज है, राइट. या अगर आपके साथ ही रेजोनेट करती है तो ये शायद आपके लिए है. कीप दैट इन माइंड. जो सोल लेवल कनेक्शंस होते हैं ना, दे आर बर्थ in a certain way, they come around in a certain way. उसमें एक सेंस ऑफ अमेजमेंट होता है, एक वंडरमेंट होती है, एक सेंस ऑफ फ्रेंडशिप होता है, एक लेवल ऑफ इंटीमेसी होता है. सिर्फ प्लेजर नहीं होता, राइट. देयर इज नो ओनली प्लेजर दैट यू टॉक अबाउट. सो यू गाइज नो दैट फैक्ट कि ये बहुत ही प्यारा, बहुत ही ब्यूटिफुल रिलेशनशिप है, इक्वेशन है जो आप लोगों के बीच में है. बट इट्स जस्ट दैट कि आप यू आर जस्ट प्लेग्ड इन योर ओन माइंड. मतलब ऐसा है कि आपको लग रहा है आपके हाथ बंधे हुए, लेकिन आपके हाथ आंखों पर पट्टी है और हाथ बंधे हुए. दी 8 of Swords काइंड ऑफ कार्ड. उसके अंदर ये है कि आप चाहें तो अपने हाथ खोल सकते हैं, राइट. इट्स नॉट लाइक you can't untie yourself. You can untie yourself. Keeping in view know the beauty of the relationship. So this lunar eclipse, full moon, शायद कुछ बहुत evidently, something has come around in your knowledge, in your mind, in your hindsight. आप वो देख रहे हैं आगे, and I think by the next फुल मून, आपको बहुत क्लैरिटी हो जाएगी. ये 2 of Pentacles स्टेज से आप निकल जाएंगे. Don't be plagued by your own thoughts and processes. Please don't. And you won't be, because with Michael here, that's a proof. Spirit guides around. Ace of Swords here. It's like you would know. जैसे मैंने कहा, आपको बहुत clarity होगी. You would be very sure as to what this relationship is, and how you need to go forward in this relationship. And you both, I think, as couples, you both are very popular people. You both have options. You both have a lot of people to guide you, to tell you, to suggest you. But the advice which is coming around is very simple, that the answers that you're asking for, they're not to be found outside in other people. वो answers आपके अंदर हैं एंड एक दूसरे में है. सो यहाँ वहाँ जाने से अच्छा है कि आप अपने आप से वो सवाल करें और पूछें दैट is it really on between us, like especially if you guys have just started dating. So I would just suggest that ask the person that is it really on, like is this just like a fun time kind of vibe, or it's something more serious. And if you're into like a committed state and a committed kind of format, तो उस conviction से पूछिए that is this for real, because जितनी जल्दी शुरू होगा उतनी जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाएगा. So be very careful. That's like a message for someone. And those who are like already in a relationship, couple relationship में हैं, already they have been in the relationship for a decent time, and you both have options and stuff like that, stop listening to other people. Start talking to each other. That is where you'll find your answers. अभी आप वो सब नहीं कर रहे हैं. Michael, what else do we need to see? For whoever. 9 of Wands. Lot of fire energy. Lot of air energy we see. And Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, I did mention that too already here. But again, this is more like psychic, intuitive kind of reading when we tap into the soulmate twin flame kind of journeys. So it's about your experiences that are holding you back, your thoughts, your processes and everything. You have to let go of that. You'll have to drop all of that. Because जितना आप उसको पकड़ कर बैठेंगे ना, उतना आप लाइट को बेसिकली ब्लॉक करेंगे. And this is like a very enriching kind of relationship, I feel. होता है ना, कई बार हमें लग रहा होता है ओ आगे आने वाले टाइम में you're driving a car for example, and आपको somebody had told you that there would be a roadblock, something like that, there would be speed breaker. आपको लगता है speed breaker आने वाला है, पर आप वो पॉइंट क्रॉस कर जाते हैं और आप कहते हैं अरे स्पीड ब्रेकर तो आया नहीं. इट्स दैट काइंड ऑफ रीडिंग. reality, illusion, to be or not to be kind of vibe hai ye. Okay, so don't let a beautiful relationship end. Don't let a beautiful relationship fall down just because of your mindset, your patterns, or the one who's watching. Take it the way it's resonating. Okay, make sure that you play fair. Justice. What else can we ask for? This is like such a beautiful card that जो कुछ भी अभी क्लैरिटी में नहीं आ रहा है आपको, वो आ जाएगा. बिकॉज विद द 6 of Cups at the bottom of the deck, it is about that soulmate energy, that kind of vibe, that yeah, this relationship is real. For some people this relationship is for real, and this relationship is possibly like a past life kind of relationship, a soulmate kind of relationship. And that's what they're saying, that light is going to come to you, and that is coming around to you. But you're just plagued with your mindset and you're not ready to see beyond it, which is not a good thing. That is why I'm suggesting again and again that please, ये जिसके साथ भी resonate कर रहा है, अगर आप किसी के लिए देख रहे हैं या आपके साथ resonate कर रहे हैं, तो the idea is to really talk with the person in question and not be plagued by what people are telling you, for one. And to know that this relationship seems very strong, there's a lot of conviction, it's just that I see that there's a lack of friendship in the relationship. So वो वापस लेके आना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, और वो कन्विक्शन के साथ अगर आप लेकर आएंगे तो ही बात बनेगी, नहीं तो नहीं बनेगी, राइट? सो लाइक दैट इज द काइंड ऑफ वाइब. बात बन जाए, समथिंग लाइक दैट. व्हिच सॉन्ग इज दैट? आई एम फॉरगेटिंग. बात बन जाए, फूल को नैना, something. So it's not about pleasure, trust me. It's not about, the game is not about pleasure, the game is about love in the end. Okay, what is it that you guys have, what is it you need to work upon? Physical intimacy and all is like, okay fine, it kind of gives you a high, but then उसके बाद the kick is off, right? जैसे फुटबॉल को किक किया, उसके बाद वो गोल में जाती ख़त्म हो जाता है. इट्स वेरी टेम्प्रेरी. सो टेम्प्रेरी प्यार नहीं है, नहीं, टेम्प्रेरी प्यार में मत गिरो, राइट? एटलीस्ट those who are resonating, don't fall for the temporary kind of vibe. Obviously, you want something which is solid. I feel, I'd rather buy an American, what do you call it? Let me see. What is the wisdom oracle that we need to see for you guys? और ये करनी ना रीडिंग ज़रूरी थी, बिकॉज ये करंट एनर्जीज में 48 आवर्स में नो कॉन्टैक्ट काइंड ऑफ वाइब है, बिकॉज आप खुद प्लेग्ड हैं बिकॉज ऑफ योर ओन प्रॉब्लम्स, राइट? जिग जैगलर जैसा वाइब है कि ऊपर नीचे इधर उधर चल रहा है. So I can show the message need to see for the one who's watching it. See, I get a song for somebody. I don't know. आप में से कुछ लोग म्यूज़िक सुन रहे हैं या म्यूज़िक सुन रहे थे इससे पहले. So it is like, I promise you, I promise I will try, I promise you I'll never make you cry. So I think the one who's watching the reading really is saying that, I do understand now. I see it. So if you do, trust me, you should take that first step and you should tell the person. You should tell the person in question that, I know you, I know your value, what you mean to me, and what this relationship means to us. And you're getting the signs also. That's also I'm kind of getting, you're getting the signs. It's just that you're not paying attention. It's about higher power. Can you see? Yeah. So it's about higher power. And it's about a leg up. Okay. So with the leg up and the higher power, the message is very simple. That let your inner self guide you. जैसे मैंने कहा, बाहर वाले लोगों की बात सुनना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. अपने अंदर झांकिए, अपने आप को पूछिए कि what is this relationship for you? How much this means to you, right? And you'll get the answers. You'll just know, exactly you'll know. So see, with the higher power, it is like that conscious contact. Please know that all the answers lie within, okay? And the only source that can give you knowledge, जो आपको बता सकता है, that is the source above. कान्हा, शिव, नानक, angels, guides, mentors, जिनमें भी आप मानते हैं, only they can guide you, okay? And the message is very loud and very clear that you have amazing potential, but it's just that you're not connecting with the higher power. Please sit down. That's why I was saying some of you need to do a lot of meditation. You need to do a lot of grounding for yourself so that you understand things in a better way, right? And it's also about not the other person. It's also about you, the one watching. It's also about you कि आप कितना किसी रिलेशनशिप में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं. आप क्या 100% दे रहे हैं एक रिलेशनशिप में, राइट? दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. और अगर आपको कंफ्यूजन है तो कॉल फॉर द हायर पावर एंड आस्क देम दैट इफ यू आर नॉट, दे शुड हेल्प यू विद इट. सो इस कार्ड के आने से ये रिफ्लेक्ट करता है दैट दिस रिलेशनशिप दैट यू टॉकिंग अबाउट और आस्किंग अबाउट is very strong. Like I said in the beginning, it has a very strong spiritual connection. It's not just physical. There is more to it. It's just that you guys are not talking to each other. आप लोग बात ही नहीं कर रहे हैं बिकॉज ऑफ ग्रोथ और एवोल्यूशन समझ ही नहीं रहे हैं. आप ना फंस गए हैं कि यार ऐसा वैसा. मुझे लगता है इट्स मोर अबाउट द ईगोज टुडे. सो यू विल हैव टू ड्रॉप देम and you will have to see the bigger picture so that you can grow, and you'll have to let go of the control issues, authority, and all of that. वो interdependence भी I think to an extent अच्छी होती है, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं होती. तो you just have to keep in mind that you would be presented by the perfect people in your life, okay, at the right time. So you just have to be open for it. Right, you can't be like, oh, you know what, जब आप भेजोगे तब देखेंगे. You have to trust in the magic. Miracles होते हैं each day. Do we believe in it? How much we believe in it is the game. You just have to understand that in this spread that is for somebody, few of you, that you cannot be codependent. Clingy नहीं होना है. Please don't be clingy. Okay, talk to the person, tell them. And अगर आप अपने emotions किसी के सामने रखते हैं तो it is a sign of strength. Vulnerability show करना किसी को अपनी प्रेम में, love में is vulnerability. It's a sign of strength. Inspiration मिलती है दूसरे को भी, life changing, ताकि वो भी सामने आकर openly आपको बता सके. You'll have to talk about your needs. शायद equal give and take नहीं था रिश्ते में, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट रीजन वॉट एवर इज हैपनिंग रीबाउंड हुआ होगा, एंड देन there's a kind of roadblock that has come around. So the advice is that you are basically a victim of your own mind. That's with the 8 of swords that we see. You're the victim of your own mind, and you're not ready to drop it, because you can only drop it with kindness and with the sense of love. Knowing that oh, you know what, this is how it is. Just stop reading between the lines. कुछ लोग हैं इनमें, आप में, जो you read too much between the lines. Stop reading between the lines. At times the person is just saying what they're saying. It's like if I'm telling you that I'm not well, means I'm just not well, right? I can't be pretending. So stop reading between the lines. Don't read the mind too much, okay? And believe in the higher power, because they're here to help you guys. They're just here to help you. This is a very strong, to sum it, this is a very strong relationship that you're asking about, thinking about. Strong soulmate twin flame kind of vibe. Equal give and take was missing. Maybe whatever was to be given by one in a relationship was not given mutually. उस वजह से there's a lot of confusion, there's a lot of chaos right now. The boundaries are up, but they're saying this: surrender to the higher power, operate from the space of love, and don't let attraction fool you, okay? Don't let temptation fool you. Keep in view that it's only love that will win in the end, okay? So don't be confused. Talk about it. Say things that you're feeling. Be a little vulnerable. Let go of your control issues, and you'll see the magic begin. Okay, but this is a very soul, like I said, soul kind of vibe. It is a very strong soulmate twin kind of equation that you both have. Amazing friendship, amazing intimacy, amazing sense of belonging you guys have. और इससे बेहतर मुझे नहीं लगता कि you can ask for. So with the Empress and the Ace of Swords, you're ruling. You both know आप दोनों एक दूसरे के लिए क्या मायने रखते हैं. You both value each other a lot. You both love each other a lot, and it's just about time to express it also. Okay, express it, right? Okay, so this is what I have for you. If the reading resonates, give me a like and subscribe. And अगर नहीं भी तो भी subscribe कर दीजिएगा, अच्छा लगेगा. Okay, and I shall see you the next time. Sending you so much love. Stay home, stay safe, and until eternity, we shall wait. Bye.